Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to connect up a double-sided connector to join two sets of strip light. Firstly, I'm going to start by exposing the 2 points, and the reason for doing this is you'll notice there's a bit of a gold coating, so just to get that exposed to make a better connection. And what I'm going to do is open it up, and what you'll see is you'll see a positive and a negative line just with those 2 connection points, and your strip light simply going to slide underneath those 2. So I'll just do this one over here for you guys to see. There we go. Close that cap, makes quite a firm grip. And then the same on the other side, which you'll see. Slide underneath there and close the cap. And that's how you join strip light.